Update on CudaCat. Here's the Sanitary engine bay. This is how clean this is. The only thing I do not have installed is the headers and steering column. And again, I'm using basically everything from a 2017 Challenger. All the intercoolers, radiators, oil coolers, pre-coolers, all that is in here. That's how clean it is. So what you see here is it. Again, everything is going to be placed up underneath. All the hoses are run. Intercoolers, pumps. That's how we're running all the air dams. Same with this side. Brakes back in there for that. All the wiring for the front end of the car is in here, so there's no wiring. Trans cooler, oil coolers, all that is in there. I'll make a cover for, the valance here over the radiator of some sort, but that's basically it. So.